Hey guys, NutQuick here, and welcome back for another video. As you can see, today we're doing something very different. We're not going to be cooking food, but we're actually just going to be making delicious custard pie surprise. And it's really different from what you would expect, because we're going to be mixing some surprise ingredients into it. Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to take your custard, you want to take your custard pie, and you just want to put it in your bowl. Okay, just like so. Beautiful, just like that. Okay, and then after you do that, you want to put your plate down because that's disgusting. And then you want to take your banana, alright? And what you want to do is you want to cut your banana on the cutting board, okay? And then you want to cut your banana on the cutting board, just like so. Don't worry about the skin, it's extra flavoring, okay? Ow, ow. Okay, so now once you've cut up your banana, you're going to want to put the banana into the bowl with the custard pie in it. This bowl right here. Just like this. Beautiful. It's great. Okay. So once you've done this, all you want to do is you want to take this beautiful soda drink and you just want to pour it into the bowl because it makes it 10 times better. Just like that. Beautiful. Great. And now you're done. Now all you gotta do is you just gotta eat it. I'm full. I ate plenty today, okay, so I'm not going to eat it. I'm just going to leave you, the viewers, the beautiful viewers, to make this beautiful thing right here for yourself and eat it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.